In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now you need to tap on Bluetooth section over here and activate it using this switcher at the top right corner. As you can see, device name option is available over here. In order to operate it, click on it, then tap on whatever you want to, and when you're ready, hit rename. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!